Hello, my dear students. You're welcome. We have recently completed the third level, and now it is time to complete the question answers. So be ready and complete your work timely so that there should not be any problem in future. Okay? Do you think that the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie? Why? This is the first question, and it has two answers. If you are saying yes, you can write down the points. It was a waking dream, it was a kind of wish fulfillment, and it was providing escape from modern day fear, insecurity, worry. And if you want to write no, then you can write then the place really existed, as Charlie has very vividly described the railway station, the people, dresses, newspaper, and counters, everything. Sam exchanging money, disappearance, letter in the first cover, that all can prove that you can answer in no. So these are the two ways to answer in no. Next question is, what do you infer from Sam's letter to Charlie? So you can start with how Sam's letter it leaves the readers mystified and perplexed, and then you can write down how there are several inferences, like it is possible that Sam was getting influenced by Charlie's glowing description of idyllic Galesburg, and he got transported to the peaceful past through the medium of imagination. And then we find one letter. So with that letter, the introduction part of the letter sent by Sam, that shows that dream of Charlie, that is fulfilled. It confirms his belief in the existence of the third level. So in this way you can write that this letter is a kind of strange mixture of the real and the fantastic, and the author has made a very clever use of it so that it boggles the reader's mind. Third question is, the modern consumerist world is full of fear, insecurities, stress, and wars. What are the ways in which we try to combat them? Answer with reference to the third level. So the value points I have made here are: present world is a kind of rat race. Everybody is running after power, money, or success, and one gets stressed out. Feeling of being a failure develops. To overcome such insecurities and fears, one starts imagining. Next question, you can see the answer. Do you find an intersection of time and space in the story? So this story is totally based on the idea of time travel, where Charlie is transported. So you can here write down how he has vividly explained the dim and flickering light of open flame, gaslight, how he saw the people dressed in a different way, and then Charlie comes back to 20th century while his friend Sam disappears into Galesburg of 1894. Thus Sam's stay in Galesburg of 1894, and yet his communication with Charlie in 20th century, it brings about a convincing intersection of time and space. Question number 5. Apparent illogicality sometimes turns out to be a futuristic projection. So you have to discuss this question. You can write down the visualization of something that the world is unfamiliar with is often termed as illogical. All the great scientists, poets, and philosophers have had vision about the future. These dreams may not have appeared logical at that time, but may be in future it can be true. The concept of the time travel has been dealt with may appear to be illogical nowadays, but who knows, in the future it may become a reality and man may be able to travel back and forth in the time. The last question is, what do you think about the human tendency to constantly move between the past, present, and future? The study of stamps is known as philately, and it is a hobby. It is strange that we retrospect about the past, we anticipate about the future, and yet we live in the present. The past, present, and future are like links in the chain of existence. It is a human tendency to flit between the past, present, and future. So using these points you can write down, and you can stop, you can pause it, and you can note down the points. Thank you. I hope you will be able